Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best dash cam for car on the market in this year with budget friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start it. Number 1. Vantrue Dashcam, a road companion that's redefining safety for your car. With sleek design and advanced features tailored for cars, this dash cam is your ultimate driving partner. Capture every detail in crystal clear clarity, from breathtaking landscapes to unexpected moments. The Vantrue Dashcam effortlessly blends into your car's aesthetics while providing reliable, high-quality recording. Don't miss out on this must-have gadget for car enthusiasts and safety-conscious drivers. Elevate your driving experience today with the Vantrue Dashcam. Number 2. RedDidger Dashcam, a must-have companion for every car enthusiast. This sleek and powerful dashcam effortlessly combines style with substance, capturing every moment on the road with stunning clarity. Its seamless integration into your car's interior is just the beginning. The RedDidger Dashcam's advanced features, including high-definition recording and wide-angle lens, ensure that every detail is crystal clear. Enhance your driving experience and capture the unexpected with confidence. Elevate your car journeys today with the RedDidger Dashcam, where safety meets sophistication. Number 3. Aston Dashcam. Tailored for the modern driver, this sleek gadget is a must-have for every car enthusiast. Capturing every twist and turn with unparalleled clarity, its high-definition lens transforms your windshield into a cinematic experience. The Aston Dashcam isn't just a gadget, it's your silent witness on the road, ensuring safety and security. Say goodbye to blurry memories and hello to crisp, detailed recordings. Elevate your driving adventure with the Aston Dashcam, because every moment on the road deserves to be legendary. Number 4. Rexing Dashcam, your ultimate road companion. This sleek device is tailor-made for cars, ensuring your journeys are captured in stunning clarity. With its seamless setup and user-friendly interface, recording your drives has never been easier. The Rexing Dashcam boasts high-resolution visuals that vividly document every moment, providing you with a sense of security and peace of mind. From scenic drives to unexpected incidents, this dashcam captures it all. Elevate your driving experience with Rexing, where safety meets sophistication. Number 5. Buy Your Own Dashcam, a game changer for every car enthusiast. Elevate your driving experience with this sleek and powerful device. Its cutting-edge technology captures every breathtaking moment on the road, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. The Buy Your Own Dashcam boasts seamless installation and crystal clear footage, making it a must-have for every car owner. Document your journeys with precision and style. Hit the road confidently, knowing that Buy Your Own has your back. Unleash the power of innovation and drive with confidence. Choose Buy Your Own Dashcam today. Thanks for tuning into our guide on the best dash cams for your car. Your safety on the road matters, and these top picks offer reliable recording and peace of mind. Don't forget to choose the one that suits your needs best. Drive safe and stay protected. Thanks for watching.